Welcome back to Shop Don't Stop. This is episode 3 of our second generation Prius restoration series. We've got Shrikar in the back watching some reels. But today we are doing a halogen to LED conversion. Auxito sent out some headlights for us. These are the LED versions. So we are going to be pulling this bumper back so we can actually get this whole headlight assembly away from the car, and we can actually show you what's going on back there. We'll hit both sides. This headlight assembly off, it's 3 screws, 1, 2, and then there's a third one that's underneath this front bumper. You will have to use a 10 mil or a screwdriver to get that off. That's just in the wheel well, and then everything just pries back and then loosens up. I have already disconnected this connector piece. Kind of looks fried, but then there's a plastic grommet here. There's an arrow on it that says open this way. So we are just going to twist it and open it up, and it does seat right around the headlight. Boom, so we have that off. There's, excuse you, Shrikar. So once this grommet is off, there is a clasp that holds the bulb in place. So what you got to do is just fold it down and then bend it back, and then after that the bulb comes directly out. Get the LED one unboxed and plugged in. Again, if you want to keep this as a spare, don't touch the actual lens itself. Auxito sent us over these LED headlights for this second generation Prius that does not have the HID. It is the 9003 or 9003/H4/HB2. Let's get this unboxed to replace the headlights. Wow. They even sent over a pair of gloves to handle them properly. That's kind of nice. And then here we have the bulbs themselves. Let's compare these LED bulbs to the old halogens and make sure the size similarly lines up. Here's our side-to-side comparison before we put the LED headlight in. Looks like it's going to be pretty darn bright. Has the same sort of shape. The base is the same diameter. This will be a 1-to-1 conversion. Let's get after it. This rubber grommet was quite challenging to get fitted. You'll have to mess with it a little bit to get things lined up before it will click into place.
What the hell?
Now that we've done the conversion from halogen to LED, we're going to turn on the low beams and then the high beams. That's a pretty good pattern. Next, I'll take it out at night and show you how it illuminates the road. Thanks for watching Shop Don't Stop. We'd like to give a shout out to Auxito for sending us out these LED headlights to utilize, and thank you again for watching. If you've liked this video, remember to like and consider subscribing to the channel because we've got a lot here for you and there's a lot more to come. Remember, Shop Don't Stop.